Today we'll be looking at functions and inverses. We'll be solving a question on functions and inverses. So we are given some functions: f of x, g of x, h of x, and g of x. So basically we'll be solving the questions that goes under this. So the first one says find f of 2. F of 2 means that whenever you see x, you put 2. So since our f of x, the question is 2x minus 1. That's how it is divided, which means that anywhere we see x, you put 2. So this gives us 4 minus 1, which is 3. So the answer to this part is 3. So the other one is gf of 2. So gf of 2 means g of f of 2. Since we have gotten our f of 2 already as 3, so we'll be using we'll use g of 3 in our g of x, and g of x formula as 3x minus 2, meaning that anywhere you see x, you put 3. So you have 3 times 3 minus 2, which is 9 minus 2, which is 7. So to solve g inverse of x, so basically you write your g of x, which is 3x minus 2, and you make x subject of formula, then you change it to g inverse of x. That's basically how it is done. So here, making x subject of formula, you have 3x equals to g of x plus 2. So x becomes g of x plus 2 over 3. So you can change your x now to g inverse of x, which is equal to x plus 2 over 3. So our answer for g inverse of x is x plus 2 over 3. So for h of x, to do the last, h of x equals to j of minus 2. So our j of minus 2 is 5 raised to the power minus 2, which is 1 over 5 square, which becomes 1 over 25. So we compare it with h of x to get our x. H of x is 1 over x. So by that, if you take the reciprocal, you can see that x equals to 25. So the answer for this x is 25. So the next thing, we want to write f of x minus h of x as a single fraction. So to write that, we have 2x minus 1 over x. So we just take LCM. We have x into 2x minus 1 minus 1. So you have 2x squared minus x minus 1 over x. So that's the answer. I've written it as a single fraction. So to solve this j of 2, so since our g of x equals to 5x per x, so g of 2, so g of 2 itself is x power 2, which is 25. Now g of 2, which is g of 25, which is now 5x power 25, and that's our answer for that. So to get the other one, j inverse of x equals to 4. Since we don't have our g inverse, we have to get it from g of x. It's 5 raised to the power x. So we make x subject of formula, introduce ln to both, and you have ln g of x equals to x ln 5. Then you can say x is ln g of x over ln 5. So at this point, we can change our x to j inverse of x and change g of x to ln x over ln 5. So we can now equate to get our x. This is 4 ln x over ln 5. Ln x equals to 4 ln 5. And ln x can still be written as ln 5 raised to the power 4. By comparing both sides, you can see that our x is 5 raised to the power 4, which is 625. So that is our answer for this, 625. So that is that.